I was sent this set of 4 tumblers. They're triple insulated and they are oh so beautiful. It was kind of hard to even choose which design I wanted because they were all so pretty, but I went for this blue marbled one. The lid is BPA-free, it's super easy to get on and off, has that nice closure on it. And then there's the inside, that triple stainless steel. It's gonna keep your cold drinks cold up to 12 hours, hot drinks hot up to 6 hours. I have put kombucha in this one straight off the tap. Really easy to sip out of that top area. You could also put your own straw in there if you wanted to. It says they're shatterproof, and that's a big deal out by the pool. I don't want any glass or anyone to get hurt. So that's why I wanted to get these. And then as far as like leaking goes, there's like one drip that seems like it comes out in that very center spot, but besides that, pretty much leak proof when the top is on. So if you want to be sipping these while you're in a hot tub and just kind of close it, when you're not sipping or inside your pool, you can certainly do that. My kombucha is nice and cool. Of course, you can use these for wine or any other beverages you want. Absolutely beautiful and perfect for outdoor dining.